We're at Ōrore Bay in this freedom camping area. So to be here you need to be have a self-contained vehicle. So have a toilet and the appropriate amount of water, and be able to take your waste away. When we arrived about 2 PM there were just our vehicle and 2 other campers. You can see it's filled up a fair bit. But the beach is just the other side of that dune, so that's where I'm going now. I'm going to get my coffee and go there. There we are, parked up. You can see the wetlands over the other side of the road. Really nice. We can stay here 3 nights, which is potentially what we will do, because it's rather nice, peaceful. I missed the sunrise, not by a lot, but missed it. It is still a very nice time to be out here, I think. It is looking towards Campbell Bay and Kakanui itself. It's only a few kilometres and I might walk that later. But right now I'm going to sit and enjoy my cup of coffee and admire that. So look at that nifty cup holder. It's the piece of wood I was sitting on. We're currently parked at Ōrore Bay, which is in Te Waipounamu, the South Island of New Zealand. It is south of Timaru and about 20 minutes south of Ōamaru, just beyond the township of Kakanui. And Ōrore Bay has been a real pleasure. We've been able to walk up towards Campbell Bay. And we've also walked down the road to Bridge Point, which was a 10-minute walk, and I'll include a video of the seal sighting that we had. So, yes, that's where we are. Enjoyed it. And we will definitely be coming back one day. Yeah, you can see the birds on the top of the rock. Bridge rock there is what we came to see, but I'm more excited about the seal that is currently not moving.
Güzel ya. Gayet güzel.